Hello student, today we will learn what is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So CPU is an electronic microchip. What is CPU? CPU is a microchip of computer. It is placed on motherboard and it controls the computer system. So it controls the computer system, so it's known as brain of computer and also called its processor. So what is CPU? CPU is an electronic microchip which is placed on motherboard that control computer system. So we called it's a brain of our computer, and technically we called it's a processor. Is it clear what is CPU? Now parts of CPU. CPU has three parts: ALU, CU and MU. So first we will discuss about ALU. So we will learn here what is ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. So ALU is made up two words: arithmetic and logic. So this unit perform two types of operation. Which one? Arithmetic operation and logical operation. So in arithmetical operation, like that, it process addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Means you can all complex mathematical operation done by arithmetic unit. Is it clear what it will do? Now second word is logic. So logical unit, it perform logical operations and it controls all computer devices. Means it take logical decisions such as comparing. Suppose we have to compare two digits, any selection and merging. Is it clear? Our next part is CU. CU means control units. Already you know here, written here, control unit. So it will control our devices. So what it will do? This unit controls the operations of all parts of computers. Like it manage and coordinate all units and communicate input and output devices. So it will communicate input and output devices and perform any operations. Like that, where we have to send data and our printer is connected or not, which devices is working or not, so how many users are connected. So who will control? Our control unit is control all things. Next part is MU, means memory unit. This unit can store instructions and data and also supplies informations to other unit like HDD. HDD means our hard disk. CD means our compact disk. Pen drive, you also known as this. So suppose you have to store your data in any memory device. So who will store our data? Our memory unit will control this part. Is it clear what is use of memory unit? Now we will see life cycle of CPU. Now we will see how CPU works. First of all, CPU take input from input device. Is it clear? So first we will give any input, then it will store in primary and, so first it will control and it will store primary and secondary memory, then take data from memory. So first it will store in primary and maybe in secondary memory, then first we will take our data and our information from our primary and secondary memory. So control unit will check our memory. So this data is available in our memory, yes or no. So it will check. Who will check? Our control unit will check and take data from this memory. Then after, ALU, arithmetic logical unit, will perform operation on this data. Is it clear? And again send to this operation, after perform operation, to the memory. So we will store, first we will do work, then after we store our data in our memory. So it will store in a memory, and control unit will send output on our monitor. Is it clear? Okay, again revise this. First we will take any input, then after it will store in secondary memory. Maybe if you don't store in secondary memory, so it will store in primary memory. Okay, so your primary memory is working or not, so who will check? Our control unit will check. Then after it will take data from primary memory, then our arithmetical logical unit will perform any operation. Operation may be any arithmetic and any logically. Is it clear? After perform operation, again it will send to control unit data to store to primary and secondary memory. If suppose you store in your primary memory and you store in secondary memory, then after it will send data and your result to output on your monitor. Then after it will display on your monitor. Is it clear? So we can say CPU given instruction and data through programs. The CPU then fetch the program and data from memory and perform arithmetic and logical operations as per the given instruction and display the result. Is it clear? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.